Hey, are you a dog lover but struggle with allergies? No worries. Today, I'll share the top 3 hypoallergenic dog breeds that won't trigger those sniffles. Let's go. First up, we have the lovable poodle. Their curly, non-shedding coat reduces allergens, making them perfect for allergy sufferers. Next on our list is the spirited Yorkshire Terrier. These small bundles of joy have hair instead of fur, meaning fewer allergens floating around. Their playful nature and adorable looks will melt your heart. Last we have the gentle and loyal Bichon Frise. Their hypoallergenic, curly coat requires regular grooming but keeps allergic reactions at bay. They're fantastic family pets with a ton of charm.